This package came from Italy. You can see Liquidator Italia, and it's going to be a surprise. This because this one is like an opinion plane. Very big. This plane has been sold all over. I have one, but I always wanted to have another one to do some modifications and to have as a backup. This is the famous Dornier 335 from Lanyu. Lanyu already disappeared, and there are some kits around the place, and this in particular was found in Italy, and it has the all brushless motors and nickel cadmium batteries, which makes really not useful for what I need. Oh, surprise! It's not the gray one as I expected. It's the green over green. Okay, at least it's different than the one I have. The one I have is brown and green. This is green over green. Okay. What we have here? I have a one-piece wing. I must say this in really good conditions. This is typically from Lanyu. No carbon fiber, no fiberglass, just wooden spars. Unlucky some damage from the packaging, and look, spars are falling apart because this kit is very old. It's not a kit, actually it's a PMP. What else we have? We have all the accessories. Sorry. I think that's from the all Italy is not making any good. Oh, surprise! The spinners are also foam. Not good. My other plane has plastic spinners. Oh, and look at this one. Typical GWS propellers for very low power aircraft. Oh, look at this. Most probably this pack is already dead, because most probably it has been sitting for a very long time on the box. And anyhow, it is still alive is useless, because for today's standards, nickel cadmium is extremely low power batteries. The charger for the batteries input at least is 240. It's good for me. And this is the mistaking the lower rudder. No, the upper rudder. This is the elevator. Very simple construction, one piece, foam hinges. Here we can find some carbon fiber strips. And here it comes. One of the most unusual designs from World War II. Of course, like every design from Germany, very odd looking plane. And look at this one, comes with a receiver, FM receiver with crystal, 1, 2, 3 channels. It's already been detached from the system. Now I realize what that's this for. My other plane is just a hole here, but here is kind of a button to press. Oh, look, very very thin wires. Just need to go. And the motors are gear motors, also most probably going to be replaced by more powerful brushless motors. Here we have the battery compartment, very small, yeah, because the battery is very small also. Now coming with magnet and with the front pins, and also we have the cockpit. It's not that bad, huh? This was called the anteater in German, anteater, because it has this characteristic shape with a long nose and a kind of a hump here. Okay, the wheel. And what surprised me most is that they included a radio. This is very funny. Most probably I'm not going to use this one because I'm going to put this model in my trusted Futaba 18MZ, and this one, okay, can be used or given away to some beginner. And this one is mode 1, and also in mode 2, but the effort of modifying that one into mode 2 is really not worth. It's really historical. This one I probably will keep it as a on my museum, because this brand and everything, you're not going to get it anywhere. Okay, I think that's all that we got in this pack. I'm really happy to be able to get another of these planes. I'm going to modify it to make it brush motors, and also with a 3-blade prop and a very nice plastic spinners, and if possible I will add some of the scale features that are being printed, 3D printed by people in Thingiverse. One of them, his name escapes my mind right now. This guy made a very nice cowling, the exhaust stacks, the intake, and the spinners. The spinners I have it already printed. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.